Welcome to the yellow world of market-leading automation technology. Since its inception in 1956, FANUC has pioneered the automation of machine tools in the development of computer numerical control equipment. FANUC technology has been at the forefront of the worldwide manufacturing revolution, from the automation of a single piece of machinery to the automation of entire production lines. Today, FANUC employs 6,500 people worldwide. 1/3 of the staff at our headquarters in Japan are young and innovative engineers in research and development. With more than 2.4 million CNCs and 250,000 industrial robots installed worldwide, and sales revenue of 4.318 billion euros, we are the global leading manufacturer of factory automation. We come from a very special place. Based at the foot of Monte Fuji in Japan, FANUC City covers 1.5 million square meters. With our unique production capacities, we are able to manufacture up to 30,000 CNCs, 250,000 motors, 5,000 robots, and 5,000 robo-machines each month, using over 2,000 of our own robots at the most automated production facility of the entire industry. With 3 core product groups, FANUC is the only company in its sector that develops and manufactures all major components, both hardware and software, in-house. FANUC CNC controls, drive systems, and CO2 laser systems are top choice for the world's leading machine tool manufacturers. Continuously developing functionality, combining powerful control and high precision with unparalleled reliability, ensures use with a wide range of applications. FANUC offers the widest range of robots in the world. We cover needs for a host of diverse applications, from microelectronics assembly to the forging of precision aerofoils for jet engines, with maximum payloads from 1 to 1,350 kilograms. Completely flexible, with application-specific options and straightforward integration. With the range of robo-machines, FANUC provides highly reliable and compact machining centers. Equipped with 100% FANUC components, they are the ultimate in compact power, precision, and reliability, with a focus on energy efficiency. They are also able to supply automated systems utilizing FANUC robots for loading and unloading machine products or tooling. All FANUC products share one common control platform. This makes the integration of machinery straightforward and ensures new developments are implemented automatically on all your FANUC products. Whatever the task, whatever the type of material, industry, or market, FANUC provides exactly what you need to accelerate your business. Our products are engineered to optimize energy consumption through the use of intelligent energy management. Your benefit? Higher productivity combined with significantly lower energy consumption. With a global network of local offices in Europe, America, Asia, and Africa, FANUC is always nearby, providing sales, technical, logistics, and service support from a local contact that speaks your language. A dedicated service team is another strong part of the yellow world. With unique FANUC tools, service packages, and training programs, they help you optimize the performance of your FANUC products.
When you take the decision on the production equipment for your automation needs, we at FANUC know that you have a choice. I'm convinced that FANUC is your best choice. At FANUC, we offer the widest product range with exceptional reliability. We offer the largest production capacity in the world. And most importantly, you will find FANUC have an extremely committed team. You will find us whenever you need us and wherever you need us. FANUC is a global company with a human face. I give you my commitment that my team and I will do our very best to make sure that you will be a fully satisfied customer of yellow. Yellow, the color of automation.